Let's see what will happen when I connect the batteries. So I just connected this. So then here we go. Nothing seems to happen. I don't hear no funny sound. So it looks like if I have any respond, well, see that so far. Go and get this key. See what's gonna happen. Let's start. Shut off back. Okay, we'll start. I've been on the show before.